Hello guys. I want to greet happy birthday to Ate Sophia J. Dori. Hello ate, happy birthday. Ang wish ko lang sa iyong karawan ate, habang ulit always. More blessings to come, more to cakes to blow. And good health always. And happy birthday. Enjoy your day ate Sophia. Ate Minya day. And alright.
Hello everyone, shout out shout out to Baby 2.0, especially kay Ate Minya or aka Ate Sophia. Happy birthday to you, happy birthday to you, happy birthday to you, happy birthday Minya, happy birthday wish na ko mga jud ni good health, ano yan, good health jud kay natin mga bata ating manunun so na magkasakit. Take care yourself out, atingan na to ang kagalingon, kaon ka sa saktong oras, and more birthdays to come, at more blessings. Thank you T sa pagsuporta sa YT. Salamat. Enjoy lang sa birthday mo, enjoy lang. Enjoy at hindi naman pwede na bang tumagay dyan? Pwede na bang tagay? Basta ano lang ka ng more birthdays lang kita. Tagang pagkagtaas na kinabuhi sa Ginoo o malampuson. Ila ikaw pati ng mga anak. Someday or soon. I'm happy I'm happy for you. So mura na siya. So enjoy. Happy birthday once again. God bless you always. Amping. Hello guys! Ayan, bigalab shoutout po sa lahat. Especially po kay Sisi Sophia. Hello sis! Ayan, happy birthday. Enjoy your special day with your family and friends, and take care always, and more birthdays to come, and good health, at sana matupad na lahat ng mga pangarap mo sa buhay. Ingat ka palagi dyan, and enjoy your special day. Thank you sa lahat Sisi. Mag-iingat ka palagi. I love you. Bye.
This is Secretary Ma'am Lucelle. So, gusto ko lang batiin ng happy birthday sa Ate Minya. Wish ko sa'yo marami ka pang birthday na dumating, marami pang blessing, good health, at ingat ka palagi, at sana maging masaya ka sa araw mo, sa birthday mo, at ayun lang, dito lang ako lagi kahit busy ang lola mo, support lang. Maraming salamat din sa support, and yun lang, happy birthday, bye.
Happy birthday to you, happy birthday to you, happy birthday to you, happiest birthday bebe, enjoy your day, more birthdays to come, God bless you always, love you.
Hello, mega love shout out everyone, and I hope you're having a good day. Walang iba kundi sa aking Mina Luna Cruz, or known in the wide world as Sophia J. Dori. Hi, Madi. First and foremost, ayan, congratulations. And I am very happy for what you are achieving right now, and I am hoping that you will keep your feet on the ground spite of all the achievements that you have unlocked, hopefully. And ano pa ba? Basta I am just very happy for you. You deserve it. And I am also praying and hoping na new start will definitely open a more peaceful and abundant living in the future, and good health lang always, hindi lang ikaw kundi with the kids, of course, kasi syempre paano ka naman makakampante kung hindi rin good health and kids, and Kuya Pati, of course. Yun, happy birthday. Keep smiling lang. Panlaban sa corruption. Panlaban sa stress and aging din. Pag lagi kasi tayong nakangiti, mas bata tayo titingnan, diba? So, excuse my ano pa ba? Ayaw ko kasi magdrama. So, ayun. Happy birthday. Thank you for the friendship that you have given me since day one. Like, hindi ka nagbago in spite of all the changes that you have been through. Yan. Sana ganun ka lang. Ganun ka lang lagi. Honest, transparent, and genuine. And enjoy the rest of your special day and the entire year din. See you next year. Ano ba? So yun, that's all. Ingat palagi, Madi. And don't you ever forget to invite me in your house, Russ. God bless.
Hello, this is Tony Towers wishing Mina Lona Cruz, aka Sophia Jada Rigg, a happy birthday. Sophia, it's snowing here. Come play in the snow on your birthday. Hope you're having a wonderful birthday this year. More candles to blow, more cake to eat, more presents to open. Stay blessed, stay happy, stay who you are. Have a good, or should I say a great 2025, more years to come, and be healthy. Enjoy your day with your loved ones, and more birthdays to come. Happy birthday, Sophia. Mina Lona Cruz. Bye-bye.